Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show you how you can use the basic pencil for capturing different things on the screen. Okay, so for example, after watching this video, you will able to learn all these about you can draw any pencil. For example, in order to explain to your you can on the screen recording, you can also draw any pencil to things work, or you can also mention, for example, anything which you want to explain on the video recording, on screen recording. Okay, so you can basically adjust this pencil. Okay, and we have many other tool tip, that is something the clear button. We have also did the some sign of rectangular or something like that. I will show you the basic of this software, that is Epic Pen, and I will also show you how you can do it for free version. So don't wait, let's start how you can download and install this beautiful software for your Windows. For downloading the Epic Pen, go to the Google and write the Epic Pen, and this is the official website for this. Click on this website, and inside this, okay, click on the download now. Inside this basic, this is the free version. Okay, click on the download Epic Pen, and you can download for Mac and download for Windows. Click on this, and after that downloading will start, and here you can see that downloading is completed. Click the downloaded folder in order to install the Epic Pen. Okay, as it getting things ready for us, it will take some time. So the downloading is completed, the installation process is almost, it shows the getting things ready, and after that click on OK and click on next, and accept the agreement. Next, make a location, you can change it, so I'm not changing it, so I will set it up by the by default location. And after, click on install. The installation is in process. Okay, so almost done. Okay, so the setup is almost done, and a new icon is created. It shows me the enter your activation code. Don't have an activation code, try for free, click on this one. Okay, then it goes to that specific screen, and here it shows me the subscribe and something like free. Okay, it basically give us the free trial, and for this you need to give your email. I don't want to use Epic Pro right now. Click on this, and after that, okay, go to the click on the finish, and this is my desktop. So basically this is the desktop, and inside the desktop you can search. Here you can see that this icon is showing. Okay, so I can drag and drop any pencil or something. For example, if I go to the pencil, here you can see that you can draw anything. For example, you can say here anything you want, for example the Nasir keyword or something like. Okay, so by using the control Z, this method, you can district out, you can also trash by going to clear screen or this. You can also draw the rectangular or circle, for example, in order to explain, for example, like this, but it shows the, okay, the rectangular. Click for try for free, and you again for the rectangular, so it will show me that to subscribe it. Okay, so you can just, for the free version, you can try for the pencil, something like this. Okay, so I hope you have understood about the basic concept of this, how you can use this type Epic Pen. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed, have a nice day.